Hello everyone, this is Billy from the Billy C DIY channel. Today I want to share with you a radio that I made a few years back. It is called the FM Regenerative radio. It's powered by a 3-volt battery and it's based on the 3DQ 3SK143-Q, a very low voltage MOSFET that I use a lot in my crystal radio projects. I'll start with the circuit diagram, then we'll look at how I lay out the components, and then followed by the testing. Be careful, don't tune your volume too high because some of the cracky or regenerative buzzing sounds will be a little bit loud. This is the circuit. It's a regenerative circuit, and you can see it's based on the 3DQ. We use a telescopic antenna on the left, or you can do away with it. Just use your wire from the headphone to serve as the antenna. There are two variable resistors, VR1 and VR2. VR1 is for tuning the regenerative level. VR2 is tuning the volume of the output. You can fit the output to your earbud or connect an audio amplifier. The coil is a 4 turns using 1mm copper wire lined on a AAA battery as the frame. Then you pull it out of it. You take a second turn as a tap and connect a capacitor, then connect to your antenna, which is a telescopic antenna. You can use an air variable capacitor like what I showed in the video, or you can use a plastic variable capacitor. The total capacitance, maximum capacitance is less than 22 pF. There's a choke coil, 39 microhenry there. If you can't buy it, you can make it using a 1 mega ohm resistor and wind 100 turns of thin wire, insulated thin wire or magnet wire on it. Here is how I lay out the parts. You can see the coil on the left, air with variable capacitor in the middle, and the green one is a battery. I use a rechargeable 4.2 volt battery, or you can use a 3-volt lithium cell battery like CR2032. For the resistors I use too, the red one is the regen level, the blue one is the volume control. This is another view, another angle of the chassis and the layout. Before we start the testing, I would like to thank you for watching all my videos. If you like my videos of DIY, please subscribe to my channel, Billy C DIY. I also have a Patreon site where you can help me support my work by paying a small amount to become a member or download some of the products I put on the site, including 3D print files and other stuff. So let's start the testing.